Every cup of instant coffee begins its journey far from the factory, on vast coffee plantations. Only fully matured coffee cherries are selected to ensure consistent quality and flavor.
Industrial harvesting machines collect coffee cherries at massive scale with precision and speed.
Freshly harvested cherries are collected and prepared for their next stage of processing.
Specialized machines clean the cherries, removing leaves and unwanted material. The cherries are washed thoroughly to remove dirt and surface impurities.
Excess moisture is reduced to protect the beans during storage and transport.
Mechanical systems remove the outer layers, revealing green coffee beans inside. At this stage, the coffee exists as raw green beans, ready for industrial processing.
Advanced sorting systems remove defects to ensure consistent quality. Thousands of tons of green beans are stored under controlled conditions. The beans are then loaded in bulk for transport to processing factories. From the farm, coffee begins its long journey toward industrial transformation. The beans arrive at large-scale factories built for continuous production.
Here, raw coffee enters the heart of the processing system. Inside giant roasters, green coffee beans are heated to develop flavor and aroma. Constant rotation ensures every bean is roasted evenly. Once roasted, the beans are released and rapidly cooled.
Cooling stops the roasting process and preserves flavor.
At this stage, the beans carry the signature character of the coffee. The roasted beans are ground to precise particle sizes. Uniform grinding is critical for efficient extraction.
The ground coffee is transferred directly into the extraction system. In large extraction tanks, hot water dissolves the soluble coffee compounds. This process transforms solid coffee into concentrated liquid form. The result is a powerful coffee extract, rich in flavor.
Multiple extraction stages maximize efficiency and consistency. Excess water is removed to concentrate the coffee extract.
What remains is a dense, highly concentrated coffee essence.
The liquid coffee is now ready for its final transformation into instant form.
Inside towering spray dryers, liquid coffee is atomized into fine droplets.
As moisture evaporates instantly, the coffee turns into dry powder.
Gravity carries the freshly formed coffee powder downward.
The powder is collected at the base of the drying system.
Agglomeration transforms fine powder into soluble coffee granules.
These granules dissolve easily when hot water is added. Cooling stabilizes the granules before further handling.
Sieving ensures consistent granule size and quality. Captured aromas are carefully preserved during processing.
These aromas are reintroduced to restore the coffee's signature taste.
Blending creates a uniform product ready for packaging. Automated systems verify quality before packaging begins. The finished coffee is temporarily stored for continuous packaging. Granules are transported directly to high-speed packaging lines. Packaging marks the final step before instant coffee reaches consumers.
The finished instant coffee granules are filled directly into glass jars.
Each filled jar is weighed to ensure precise product quantity. Lids are applied to protect the coffee inside each jar. Vacuum sealing preserves freshness and aroma. Each seal is checked to protect the product during storage.
Labels are applied to identify the finishing coffee product.
Batch codes ensure full traceability from factory to shelf. Automated cameras inspect every filled jar.
Any jar not meeting standards is removed from the line.
Approved jars continue toward final packing. Filled jars are grouped for carton packing.
The jars are packed securely into cartons.
Each carton is sealed for safe transport. Cartons are stacked onto pallets with precision. Shrink wrapping secures the coffee for shipping. Finished pallets wait for global distribution. Automated systems move the coffee through the warehouse. The final step begins at the loading docks. Pallets of instant coffee are loaded for transport. Each truck carries thousands of jars of coffee.
The shipment is sealed and secured.
What began as a cherry is now a finished coffee product. Each jar is ready for store shelves worldwide. From here, instant coffee begins its global journey.
This process combines scale, precision, and consistency.
Every granule reflects careful engineering. Quality is built into every step. The journey spans farms, factories, and supply chains.
This is how instant coffee is made at industrial scale.
From bean to jar, this is the billion-dollar coffee industry.